Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I'm so excited. We have a return box to our channel and it's one I'm very excited about and I absolutely loved the last time I unboxed it. So it is the Gramma in a box. I love this one so much. So if you'd like to see what came in my box this month, then just keep on watching. Okie dokie. So let's read over a couple of the deets and then we will get right into it. This is Gramma in a box. Basically, Grandma whips up all of the ingredients you need to make 8 cookies, I believe, and then it comes with 3 frostings, 8 sugar cookies, and then enough ingredients and everything you need to do 2 other projects. So the monthly subscription is $22.50. Shipping is free. It only ships in the US, but it's free in the US. It ships on the 3rd of each month, and most boxes arrive within 2 days. They ship priority with USPS. So I thought that was super cool. No waiting on your boxes. And you get 8 fresh baked sugar cookies, 3 frostings, and 4 sprinkles, and then enough stuff to do 2 other projects. It is so much fun. So if you haven't seen my last unboxing of this, the theme was Under the Sea. So much fun. The little clam cookies. So adorable. Those were my favorite out of last month's box. So if I'm not mistaken, this month's box theme is back to school. So I'm excited to see what's in here. There is some sprinkles outside of the box. So I think one might have came open, but we'll see. Yeah, I can hear stuff sliding around in there, which is okay, honestly, because I still have sprinkles left over from last month's box. So you open her up. Let's take the cards out for a moment, and this is what she looks like. It's so adorable. So this was the theme for last month, and that's the little clams I was telling you about. And then for 4th of July, they had those ones. So cute. And then we have all of our recipe cards right there. Okay, so we got bubble wrap in here, which honestly, I'm not surprised that something like this could happen because, like, let me show you guys. This thing always comes packed. Oh, and the lid just barely popped off. So there's still sprinkles in there. But it comes full, packed to the brim in here. So I am so okay with that. It's understandable. Okay, so back to school treats. Welcome to the September Gramma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects with the back to school theme, including Apple for the Teacher, cute, Alphabet Bites, and back to school cookies with frosting and sprinkles. I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Grandma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. I made the mistake of not doing that last time. I will be doing that this time. I am working on a Halloween theme for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is October 3rd for the next box as we ship the first week of every month. Thank you for helping us grow. Grandma Terry. So this is a small business, so I absolutely love this, and I don't understand why she isn't like booming by now because this box is so fun and creative and such a good way to create memories with your children without having to put in as much effort because a lot of us are really busy around these times and everything that's happening in our world. And I know I say that often, but it's been hectic. So the fact that this all comes prepackaged, ready to go, detailed information cards, I love it. So there's Apple for the Teacher. Oh, those are cute. Oh, I get it. Okay. And Alphabet Bites. Okay. Oh, okay. And back to school cookies. So I'm going to show you guys everything that came in the box. I'm going to read through the project cards and then we will do the apples first. Everything that came in the box is these pretzels, these are for the apples for the teacher. Isn't that cute? I never would have thought of using pretzels for an apple. Okay, and then there is melting chocolate. That's some of the sprinkles that popped out. So, melting chocolate, that's a massive container of melting chocolate. Marshmallows, maybe? I don't know. I feel like they're like those little Lucky Charm marshmallows. I'm not for sure though. These little like holder things. I don't know what they're called. I'm sure they're labeled in there. So we have a tube of bright yellow frosting, a tube of bright blue frosting. Bright blue. That is the truest blue I've ever seen. And then my favorite color, red, like a very true red. Wow. Those look like pigments, honestly. Look at those. Those look nice. Okay, anyways, that's not what we're here for. We're not here for like the brightest colored frosting. I believe these are part of the apples. There's Tootsie Rolls. And then we have the cookies, which we have 2 big apples and 2 small apples. And then we have school buses and I'm not sure what these are. Little placards maybe. And school buses. Yee. Okay, we have blue sprinkles. Like that glitter, the glitter sprinkles. Yeah, those are fun. Oh, these are like little chocolates and they're the leaves for the apples. We have yellow sprinkles. And we have confetti sprinkles. And then we have alphabet sprinkles. And here's the culprit of the one that's spilt. Then we have red sprinkles. And then we have alphabet cereals. Wow, that's a lot. Which a lot of the sprinkles fell out in the box, so I'll just dump it back into the container. No biggie. We have the 2 sheets of wax paper to do our projects on. So I am so excited. I'm going to read through the instructions and then we will get started. Alrighty, and I'm back. So I went and I melted down the chocolate. And then we're going to take these pretzels right here. Maybe if I can get the package opened. Okay, I'll do one with you guys and then I'll do the rest off camera. So we're going to take the pretzel and we're going to dip it right into the chocolate. Get it nice and coated. And then I'm going to take it out with my fork. Set it on my wax paper. We are going to sprinkle them with the red sprinkles, which I got most of it out of the box, so we are good to go there. I normally end up with a lot of extra sprinkles when I'm done with these projects. And then these are fondant leaves. I thought they were little chocolate ones, but they're fondant. Hope I'm saying that right. And that's what it looks like. It's so cute and little and perfect. I'm going to stick that right up there on the top. And then I'm going to take the Tootsie Roll log and put that right down the middle. And there we have our most adorable apple ever. So that does need to set before I can show it to you guys, but that is adorable and I like that. So now we will move on to our next project. Okie dokie. So we're going to take the leftover melting chocolate. So I did finish up the rest of the apples really quick. We have the leftover chocolate right here. We're going to pour in the cereal bits. And another really cool thing about this box, and I might be weird for it, but I save all these little containers. I do. I grow chives, my own chives, so when it's time to cut my chives, I put them in those little containers, and they're very helpful. Okay, and then we're going to take the freeze-dried marshmallows. I almost said tomatoes. Marshmallows. And we're going to, boop, pop those in there, make us some cereal. And then those go on last. We're going to sprinkle the alphabet letters on there, and we are going to drop little drops into these little cups right here. I'm going to start out by laying these cups out because we'll have to work fast. Mixy, mixy, mixy. That'll be good. Boop, boop. Sound effects are necessary. Okay, they are. Boop, boop, boop. I made my first one a little big. That's okay. And boop. Now, working quickly. Oh my gosh. I'll have to tell you guys a story in a second, but I have to work really quickly to do this, and for some reason I don't feel like I can multitask. Okay, alphabet sprinkles. Those are adorable. I love them. So that's what these ones look like. So cute. Okay, so what I was going to say is I was off camera finishing up the apples, and you have to put the little Tootsie Roll stem on there, and then you have to put the fondant leaves on there before they set. Well, while I was off camera making these, I thought I heard somebody trying to get into my house. So I had to go and investigate, and I forgot to finish those. So now those are finished. Those are good to go. They look so cute. And again, here's more containers for me to reuse. So excited about it. I shouldn't be that excited about it, but I am. And then also I wanted to point this out. So I did my apple project, and I still have that much of the glitter sprinkles left. So you get a lot of leftovers with this, and I love that because then you can use them for your next project as well. Speaking of next project, boom. Oh, we're down to our cookies. Actually, for this one, I'll be right back because I think I am going to go grab the other sprinkles. Okay, so for this one, we have blue sprinkles, red, confetti, yellow that came in this box. But then I also still had some of the peach colored confetti left, the purple, oh, that one's almost out. I used quite a bit. And the white pearls. So we are going to do one of these little baby apples because I think they're so cute. Alrighty, so I went ahead and did the cookie off camera, and there it is. So cute. This icing reminds me of royal icing. Like if you have never gotten caught up or went down the rabbit hole of watching people decorate cookies on Facebook and the Facebook videos of it, it's mesmerizing. But that's what this icing reminds me of, is the royal icing where you can swirl it and it like flattens out and is smooth like a glass mirror. It's so beautiful. So what did you guys think about this month's box? I think it's so adorable. Let me see if I can pick one of these up now. Oh, it's so hot in my house. They're still haven't set. I'll probably have to stick them in my fridge. But I'll show you guys my work area really quickly. And then I did kind of want to go over with you guys what I still have left over after doing all these projects. Okay, so this is the finished products. We have the apples right there, the cookie right there, and the cereal and marshmallow bunches right there. Those are cute. So then left over, I still have the 2 big apples to do. 1 small apple still left. The 2 badge looking ones left. And then 2 of the school buses left. I have 1 whole thing of icing here. Those 2 icings there. I still have a little bit of the purple sprinkles left from the Under the Sea box. And then I have the blue ones here. This is the peachy colored one from the Under the Sea box. The red that we used for the apples right there. The confetti sprinkles. The yellow sprinkles. Those are pretty. And these pearl sprinkles that I got from the Under the Sea box as well. So what do you guys think about this box? Do you think it's worth it? $22.50 a month, and you get all of this extra stuff, all of this fun stuff. I still have enough cookies to do some decorating cookies and stuff with Nia tomorrow. I still have cookies left that I can decorate cookies with the boys when they come back over. And I love it. I absolutely love this, hands down. I think it is so worth your money and it is so much fun. So, like always, you guys, I love you guys so, so very much. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.